Hey guys, now we're gonna do another application of the Fine Marmorino in a deep red. Very it has a lot of synthetic tints on it. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the base coat. I'm gonna do the base coat in white. You just want to slap it on as smooth as you can. You always want to work from dry to wet. And that's it. Good first coat. When that dries, it will look like this. Now I'm going to do a second coat in the red. Washing my tool real quick. Clean tools are happy tools, right? Let me get this deep, bright red. Very nice color. Slap it on. You don't want to put it too tight. You want to leave it a little bit thick. Always in circular motions. From dry to wet. Just try to do it as smooth as you can. If you leave an area thick, just come back and hit it. Don't wait till later to come back and fix it. And you don't want to put too much pressure because you don't want to start burnishing. Boom, that's it. That's your proper second coat. If you look at it, it looks like paint. It doesn't look like a Venetian plaster just yet. That's the proper way of doing a second coat. Now when this dries, it will look like this. Remember, everything with Venetian, it dries like 40% lighter. Now we're going to do the final coat, the third coat. Everything nice and tight in circular motions. I like to put it on thick, take it off thin. Always overlap. Overlapping is very important. Always control the product in your trowel. Put it right back on the top. Everything in circular motions, because in nature there's no straight lines. That's it. Put it nice and tight. If there's something you don't like, let's pretend over here, come back, overlap it, hit it again. That's fine. Remember, with this product, you gotta burnish it while still wet. So you come back with your burnishing trowel, come back with a clean rag, and always hit it. So if this was a real wall, you'll wait like 2 to 3 feet, stop, come back, burnish it. Clean the trowel always. Want to burnish it in different directions. And that's it. Came out very shiny. It looks very nice. Now I'm gonna dry it up and I'm gonna seal it. You wanna get that part? Doing like a pre-burnish. Now with reds, with deep reds, you don't really want to use a heat gun. This is a normal blow dryer, but you don't want to use a heat gun because you could turn the red to pink. It's not good. Clean the tool real quick. You can finish a nice sample like in 5 minutes. Piece of cake. The cedar we're going to use here will be the soapstone. This is the soapstone cedar, large soapstone cedar. With deep reds, with deep colors, when you put it on, it's gonna turn a little white, a little pasty, but then you come back with the rag and buff it out. It's just the nature of the beast. It's just what happens with deep colors. Come back, put everything nice and tight. Nice and tight. You always want to wait at least an hour before you soap it, of course. Yeah, let it dry a little bit. So this is normal how it turns. I have some customers call me and they complain, oh, it turned all white. That's normal just because it's a deep color like that. And we'll come back and we'll clean it out. Remember, you want to wait until the Marmorino absorbs the soapstone. You can't rub it off right away because then you start taking out the plaster. You just got to let it soak in. Yeah. See how that comes off? It comes off. Just come back with the rag. Always in circular motions. Come back and just buff it out. You're gonna have to use a little bit of pressure to take out all that white, but if you noticed, you can see the white. So if this ever does happen to you, don't worry about it, just keep going. Sometimes if it gets too white, too foggy, you could damp the rag a little bit and start rubbing it off where there's too much white. And voila. Piece of cake. You buff it a little bit more if you like. Use a card buffer. Whatever you like. But finito. Thanks for watching.
Good.